Attention, there is a serious infection going on outside. We advise you stay inside of your house. Lock all doors and windows. Supposedly, this infection can be spread by bites, scratches, rotten food, and old water. If you come across an infected person, if you have a weapon, be prepared to defend yourself. These infected people are very aggressive and dangerous. If you don't have a weapon, then hide. They have screams that can distract you. Do not turn away from them. If you do, then accept your fate. There is no use in fighting if they catch you.